All right, so let's check this guy out over here. And we now want to solve this absolute value equation with fractions. It's not as bad as we think it is, right? I mean, all we got to do is, again, like I showed you in example 4, just take this guy and bring it to the right side. And once you do that, then we can write both of our equations. So let's go ahead and do that, right? So I'm going to put this guy over here by subtracting 1/4 on both sides. And I kind of made this easy for you by making it, like a common denominator here. So we have a half x plus a third is equal to 2/4, right? 3 minus 1 is 2. So 2/4 is going to give us just 1/2. Okay? All right, so now we can go ahead and write both of our equations now. So one of them is going to be a half x plus a third equals a half. And the other one's going to be a half x plus a third equals negative a half. All right, and now we can go ahead and solve for x for both of these guys. So you know what? Since I know that 2 and 3 have a common denominator of 6, I'm just going to multiply both sides by 6. It may just be a little easier here without fractions. So 6 divided by 2 is going to give us a 3x, and then 6 times 1/3 will give us 2, and then 6 times a half will give us 3. So this may be a little easier to work with, like as we're trying to do these problems here. So we'll subtract 2. So we get 3x equals 1, and then we'll divide by 3. So I think I'll just go ahead and put 1/3 then. All right, so that's one of our answers. Same thing here. Like I'm going to go ahead and multiply both sides by 6, and so I know this is my answer right here. 3x plus 2 equals 3. So I'm going to subtract 2. So 3x equals 1. And then, oh, you know what? Oh, it's supposed to be a negative. That's very important right there. So that's a negative 3. So negative 3 minus 2, that right there will give us negative 5. So let me just change that right there. So this will give us negative 5. And then we divide by 3. So x equals negative 5/3. And once again, you can go ahead and plug these guys in to make sure that we have the correct answer there.